Welcome to this morning sun salutation flow. Let's get started in mountain pose at the top of your mat. Feet are hip width apart, hands down by your sides, shoulders stacked over the hips, crown reaches up tall. Big breath in, fill up belly. Exhale everything out. Big inhale through nose. Exhale, release. Inhale, sweep arms up overhead. Exhale, hinge at hips, fold forward over the legs. You can keep a generous bend in the knees here. Inhale, halfway lift, hand comes to shins, crown reaches forward, long spine. Exhale, forward fold over the legs. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, hands come through heart center, down by sides. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, hand comes to shins, halfway lift, shoulder blades reach together. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise, bring the arms up with you overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center, down by your sides. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hinge at hips, lead with heart, fold forward over the legs. Inhale for a halfway lift, collarbones reach forward. Exhale, fold over the legs, plant your hands, step both feet back, plank pose. Lower the knees down to ground. Lower yourself slowly all the way down, shoulder blades. Your elbows tuck into sides. Untuck the back toes. Inhale for cobra. Gentle back bend. Exhale, lower all the way down. Press yourself back up to tabletop. Send the hips back, downward facing dog. You can have a generous bend in your knees here. Press the ground away evenly with both hands. Let the shoulders soften. Let the head hang heavy. Big breath in. Exhale everything out. Big inhale. Exhale out. Inhale, come up to tiptoes, gaze towards the top of your mat. The bottom of your exhale, take baby steps up to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale to rise, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center, down by sides. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant hands, step back, plank pose. Inhale, shift forward, option to bring the knees down or stay on toes, lower halfway chaturanga. Inhale for upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog, send the hips back. Big breath in. Exhale out. One more like this. Big breath in. Exhale out. Inhale, come up to tiptoes, gaze forward. Exhale, baby steps, jump or float to the top of your mat. Inhale for a halfway lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, ground down through both feet as you rise. Lift the arms up. Exhale, hands come through center, down by your sides. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, hinge at hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, plant hands, step or jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog. Breath in. Exhale. One more big inhale. Exhale out. Inhale, come up to tiptoes, gaze towards the top of your mat. The bottom of your exhale, make your way to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale to rise, arms up. Exhale, hands through heart center, down by sides. Inhale, sweep arms up. Exhale, fold over legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant hands, step or jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Big inhale. Exhale. One more together, big inhale. Exhale out. Inhale, come up to tiptoes. Gaze forward, bottom of your exhale, make your way to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise. Exhale, hands come through heart center, down by your sides. Mountain pose. Feel your shoulders stacked over the hips. Stand up tall. Crown reaches up. Send a soft gaze down past the tip of your nose. Close the eyes if it feels comfortable. Together, 3 rounds of breath to close out our morning practice. Big inhale, fill up. Exhale, sigh it out. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale out. Last one, biggest breath yet. Exhale out. Take a moment to check in, notice how you are feeling in your body after some synchronized breath with movement in our sun salutations. Getting into a little meditative state there. I hope you're feeling more refreshed and ready to start your morning. Thank you so much for joining me for this lovely morning practice. Great work today. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.